The Italian street legend is evolving once again. For 2026, Ducati has officially introduced the latest generation of the monster, now featuring a more modern 890 V2 engine platform, replacing the old 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees engine that has accompanied the monster for years. This move comes as no surprise. Ducati is currently undertaking a major overhaul of its motorcycle lineup to ensure all models meet 5 Euro plus emission standards. The 890 cubic centimeters engine has already been used in the Panigale V2, Streetfighter V2, and Multistrada V2, which now form the new foundation for Ducati's mid-range performance. The new 890 cubic centimeters V2 engine produces 109.4 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 91 newton-meters of torque at 7,250 revolutions per minute, with a total weight of just 175 kilograms without fuel, 4 kilograms lighter than the previous model. Power may be slightly below that of the old monster, but the engine's character is now more flexible. 80% of power is available from 4,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute, ready to explode whenever needed. The engine now functions as part of the frame structure, stress member chassis, with a front frame design similar to the Panigale Superbike. The double-sided swing arm has a more distinctive character with a perforated design inspired by the Panigale V2. The suspension system relies on a non-adjustable 43mm show fork at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The standard seat height is 815mm, but it can be lowered to 775mm with official Ducati accessories. The latest monster is now equipped with a 6-axis IMU that enables a variety of modern electronic features such as cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control. All information is displayed on a 5-inch adaptive TFT screen that adjusts to light conditions and supports turn-by-turn navigation. Everything is controlled via an ergonomic joystick on the left handlebar. Comfort features include a quick shifter up and down, cruise control, and heated grips. For fans of classic feel, Ducati retains the manual key instead of a keyless system. The Monster 2026 looks dashing with 2 signature Ducati colors, Ducati Red and Iceberg White. The Plus version adds a passenger seat cover and front head cowl, giving it a more aggressive look. This model is scheduled to arrive at European dealers in February 2026, with prices starting at £11,995. Ducati is also preparing an A2 license version for novice riders who want to experience the monster's performance right away.